Hey guys, in this short tutorial we're gonna be making this project that's gonna be hue animation with gradients. So we're gonna have a picture and an animation on top of it. And to achieve this we're only gonna be needing a bit of CSS. And I added few pictures so we can test it here so you guys can exactly see how this is gonna look like on the different backgrounds and also things we might change. So we're gonna make our index HTML here and our style CSS. And let me make this a bit bigger. So inside our HTML we're gonna have a basic template here, and we're only gonna have one div here, or section rather. And then at the top we wanna link our CSS. And this is gonna be all the HTML we're gonna have. And we can open this with live server so we can see what's happening. So going back to our CSS, we want to remove some margin from body only. Here we want to target our hero section and we want to make it full height and full width as well. And we also want to add a background first. So I'll just add this one for now so you can see what we're dealing with. And we're gonna add some cover. So this is the first background we're gonna be working with. And we honestly don't need to change much. So here inside our hero, we wanna add a gradient here next to our background. So we can remove this, add a comma here, and we're gonna add some linear gradient here. Just like that. And then here we want to add a blend mode. And at the end we want to add some animation. So we're calling it animate. It's gonna be 4 seconds and it's gonna be infinite, so it's gonna run all the time. And then the last thing we need to do here is adding a keyframes for this animation we just made. And inside of that we're gonna have from and to, and we're gonna use filter of hue rotate, and we're gonna set that to 0 at beginning. And then here we want to do the same thing. But we want to set it to 360 degrees. And that's all there is to making this project. If we go back here, you can see how that animates. And if we change this to let's say 1 second instead, you can see how faster this is gonna be. And then I also want to test it on a few other pictures so you guys can actually see how it looks like. So I have few code backgrounds here, just named it 1, 2 and 3, and this landing page, which I think looks pretty sick. So let's switch to the second picture. Let's change this back to like 2 seconds maybe. So this is another code background that I found that looks nice on this. And then we have another picture here, number 3. So this actually looks really cool, like it's animating from the side here and goes inside the code. And then finally I have a landing page here. So if you see landing page here, this is how the actual page looks like at the beginning without any filters, and this is how it looks like here. So you can make a lot of cool animations using Hue on your projects as well. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.